Today's buildings are designed to be more innovative, multifunctional, and to meet the evolving needs of occupants. This has led to the inclusion of structural features that can complicate a building's energy efficiency. Desirable features such as balconies, extensions, facades, columns, and roof details all penetrate the building structure, steel or concrete, which creates thermal bridges. Thermal bridges compromise the energy efficiency of a building as they enable cold and heat energy to enter, exit the building structure. This creates condensation, which leads to damp, mold growth, and corrosion. Not only is this undesirable for those occupying the building, but it means that the building won't meet the necessary building regulations or energy efficiency standards. Farrat structural thermal breaks are designed to bridge this gap as a structural insulation material with high load capacity and low thermal conductivity. They can be used anywhere a penetration or transition exits the building envelope and are suitable for planar, linear, and point load connections, helping the building to achieve even the most stringent regulatory and energy performance standards, and ensuring the ongoing thermal comfort of occupants for the lifetime of the building, making lives better for everyone.